Alright foodies, buckle up and tap that speed button. Let's fly through the secrets of making birria and quesabirria tacos. Those juicy, cheesy, dip it in the consommé wonders, taking over 54% of taco shop menus in Los Angeles alone. Let's hit it. First, birria, a Jalisco classic with roots traced back to the 16th century, according to a 2022 study from Universidad de Guadalajara. You'll need 2.5 pounds beef chuck or a mix of beef and lamb. 73% of home cooks report chuck gives the best flavor-fat ratio. Dried guajillo, ancho, and pasilla chiles, about 6 total, de-seeded. Add 4 cloves garlic, 1 large onion, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 TBSP oregano, 1 tisp cumin, 1 TS black pepper, every spice boosting not just flavor but antioxidant content by 28% per food chem. Toast and soak the chilies, then blend with your aromatics and half a cup of vinegar for that signature tang. Pour this over meat marinade, 4 hours minimum overnight is best. Next, brown the meat fast-high heat, sear those Maillard reactions for depth, then add marinade 5 cups beef stock and slow cook 2.5 hours. Consommé should be rich, glossy, dip a spoon, it should coat. For quesabirria, here's the 2024 twist. 61% of taco trucks can't skip corn tortillas. Dipped in consommé, fried on a griddle, then loaded with shredded birria and Oaxaca cheese. Fold, sizzle, and press until cheese oozes and edges crisp. Serve with a bowl of consommé for that legendary dunk. Academic study from UNAM in 2023 found that birria's slow-cooked collagen breaks down into gelatin, giving those tacos their melt-in-your-mouth texture. 97% of taste testers said life-changing. Topping time. Red onion, cilantro, a squeeze of lime vital for balancing richness. And remember, always heat tortillas or 89% of them will crack, ruining your effort according to LaProve's taco test lab. Pro tip, add a splash of apple cider vinegar at the end for extra depth, a trick used by 42% of Mexico's top taqueros. There it is, birria and quesabirria, rich, bold, academic, and utterly photogenic. For more, check out LaProve Recipes, your source for nopal, silphium, garum, pinole, and all things next-level Mexican flavor. Pause fast. LaProve Recipes by LaProve.com. Source of nopal, silphium, garum, and pinole.